Alright, we're back with another video. Right here, we're doing a review on the Divvy corporate business credit card. As you see down there, it says corporate and it's a MasterCard. And this is not just a credit card, this is a charge card. So whatever amount that you spend on there will be due in full. And you have options of choosing how you want to be billed. So you can either be billed weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. And so in between these times, whenever you use your card, it needs to be paid back in full at the end of the statement. I do have a $5,000 limit. When I did my application, I asked for $8,000, but I ended up getting $5,000. That's $3,000 less than what I wanted, but I'm still happy. It is business credit, helping build my business credit, something I can use to grow my business, invest in other things. So I'm happy with it. I like it so far. It's been very cool. But this is Divvy, D-I-V-V-Y, charge card. So let's just go over this right here, and then I'll go over a little bit more. So for the way that you can get billed is weekly, semi-monthly, and monthly. So if you choose weekly, you're getting more points. And as you go further out on your billing, as you go further out on your billing, your points get decreased. So if you're choosing weekly billing, you're getting 7 points on restaurants, 5 points per dollar on hotels, 2x per dollar on subscriptions, 1.5 on everything else. If you go down to semi-monthly, you're getting 4x points on restaurants, 3x on hotels, 1.5 on subscriptions, 1x on everything else. They go down to monthly. Monthly is the option that I chose. You get 2 points for restaurants, 2 points for hotels, 1.5 for subscriptions, 1.x on everything else. So prior to applying for this card, like I uploaded my video before, I have the Sam's Club Business MasterCard. I have some fleet cards. I have like business credit already billed. So this is what this card goes off. This is how you get approved for this card. It's off of your business credit. Your personal credit is not accounted for at all on here. And you can also lock your credit to make sure that it doesn't get pulled. But this card is based off business credit. So business credit is Dun and Bradstreet, your DUNS number, DUNS score, paydex score. Then you have Experian and Equifax. So I would recommend have a few accounts already reporting on all those, have scores generated, then apply for this card. What you have to do, apply for this card, I will put the link in the description summary area. You go to their website, you have to schedule a demo. Once you schedule a demo, you eventually get an email to sign up and apply. You sign up and apply. Shouldn't take too much longer after your application gets reviewed. Then they'll let you know if you got approved or not. Then from there, they'll set everything up. Then you should get your card in the mail within a few days. For whatever reason, I guess it was just the post office or whoever was the mailer. I never got my card, so I had to call in to get the actual physical card. But you do not need the physical card to start using it. Once you get approved, you get your login, they have virtual cards. So you have your physical card, like here, a physical card that you can use. Then they have virtual cards that you can use as well. And you can just create it within the app. And I will do a video, and I will link it in with this one on how the app works. And then you do have to set budgets to use the card, because this Divvy is like helping you with your business and budgeting and everything like that. So you do have to set budgets on there. And then with any credit card, once you get a limit, you know, after 6 months or a few months or a year, you can always get your credit limit increased. Maybe you have to request it, or maybe they'll do it on their own. This is a MasterCard. I'm not sure who their banking is with, but with the Sam's Club Business MasterCard, that was with Synchrony. So yeah, this is a charge card, not a credit card. So it has to be paid back in full, whether you choose weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. And I'm not sure, once you choose, can you change it? So I chose monthly just off rip, because that's the billing I prefer. But you may be able to change it to semi-monthly or weekly if whatever fits for your business. Also, I want to go over, they do have special offers. So once you get this credit card, you have your point system that you're getting, and they have special offers. So I already have my phone right here with the website already pulled up. This is on Divvy. So this is how you apply for it. You just come here, get a demo, and then it has a little bit about the company and everything like that, how that goes. And so now I want to show you the rewards. So here on the website, hopefully my phone is focusing so you can see this. But if you come here, here it goes right here, going over what I went over, the weekly, semi, and monthly. And then if we come down here, right here, special offers. Sorry, y'all. I don't know. It's bright. The light is so bright. Dang. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all barely can see it. Does that help a little bit, y'all? Anyways, right here we got Google Ads, get $150 off. We got Amazon. We have just some different ones. Verizon credit, get $50 off your new phone. We got Lyft credits, T-Sheets, Carta, Adobe, Avis car rental, get $25 off your single upgrade. We got a Vistaprint, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Enterprise, FedEx, and I'm pretty sure they'll eventually add more or whatever for their special offer. So you do have those extra cash back or discount offers as well. I do like the card. It's pretty cool. It's cool looking a little bit. But yeah, corporate charge card. So for this card, when you're applying, make sure you have a legit business. You have an LLC, sole proprietor, you're incorporated, registered with your Secretary of State, business name, business address, everything checks out, so that way there's no problems with your application. If you need help with business credit, you can message me, drop your comments, or message me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever, and I'll get back with you and help you with your business credit. So yeah, that's it for the Divvy corporate card. I will do a video and I'll be adding it on to this one. So y'all, let's see how the app looks in a little bit. So now we're on the Divvy app, and this is the wallet, the main screen. Once you get on here, have the physical card, which I already have, and then you have virtual cards that you can make for online spending for your employees, different things like that. Only thing you have to do is create a card, type in the budget, everything like that, and instantly make you a virtual card, give you the number and everything. So physical card, I have a spending limit on here as well. And Divvy is really helping like businesses with their spending and budgeting. So that's pretty much what this is helping businesses budget. So right here, if you click here on the side, we have here send funds, requests, bill payments, alerts, card payments, and everything like that. So that's it for the app. And then if you're on their desktop version, shows pretty much the same thing, but the desktop version does have the option to request credit limit increase. On the app, you're not able to do that. So that's it for the Divvy app.